All right, welcome to the deep dive. So if you're like me and you're kind of keeping an eye on the AI generation scene,
Hmm.
you've probably seen the names Pinokio and ComfyUI pop up a lot.
Evidently, they're everywhere.
And people seem to be asking, which one should I use? Like they're rivals or something.
Yeah, I see that too.
But looking at what we found, asking which is better, well, that's maybe not the right way to think about it at all.
It really isn't. It's like comparing apples and, well, maybe the entire grocery store. They're just fundamentally different tools.
Different tools solving different problems in the whole AI creation pipeline.
Exactly. And what we found is they're actually much more like partners than competitors. They help you get access to advanced AI.
Okay, let's break that down. Pinocchio first. What is it? Our sources kept calling it an installer or a manager. The best analogy was like an app store for AI programs.
That's a good way to put it. Its main job isn't making the AI thing, like an image or voice. Its job is just making it easy to get and run the tools that do.
Right. So one click installs for all sorts of AI tools, image generators, voice cloners, you name it.
Precisely. So if Pinocchio is the store,
Then ComfyUI must be one of the apps people are getting from that store.
exactly that. ComfyUI is the AI image generator. It's the powerful engine doing the creative work.
And what makes it special, according to the sources, is this node-based interface. Sounds complicated.
It can look intimidating at first, yeah. Instead of just a text box for your prompt, you get this visual workflow. Think like connecting blocks together.
Like a flowchart.
Sort of, yeah. A flowchart for creating images. Each node does something specific, loads a model, applies a style, upscales. You control the entire process. It gives you incredible professional level flexibility.
Okay, super powerful. But I'm guessing installing something that powerful and flexible, that's maybe not so easy. Is that where the confusion comes in?
That's exactly where Pinocchio shines. Installing things like ComfyUI manually, it can be, well, brutal.
Why? What's the big deal?
It's often called dependency hell. These tools need very specific versions of other software like Python code libraries.
Ah, right.
And if you have the wrong version or two things need different versions, boom, nothing works. You end up stuck in the command line, typing commands, trying to figure out error messages.
Yeah, been there. Hours wasted watching install bars fail.
We all have. So Pinocchio basically says, forget all that. It handles all those dependencies, the versions, the setup automatically. It just works.
So that's the aha moment. Pinocchio is the app store, making installation painless. ComfyUI is the pro-level app like Photoshop or something. And the key is,
You install ComfyUI using Pinocchio.
get the installer to install the powerful tool. Simple as that.
It automates the whole headache, finds the right models, sets up the environment. It basically smooths out that super steep technical barrier. Pinocchio provides the easy setup.
And ComfyUI provides the deep creative power once it's running.
Exactly. You get that node system, all that control, without needing a computer science degree first. It makes tools built for experts accessible to artists, to creators.
It really sounds like the best of both worlds. Easy start, powerful results.
That's the core takeaway, really. Stop asking which one to choose. The breakthrough is how one tool, Pinocchio, just erases the setup friction.
So you can actually focus your energy on using the other tool, ComfyUI, for the actual creative part.
Yep. The recommendation is clear. Get Pinocchio first. Use it to install ComfyUI. And honestly, check out the other cool AI tools it offers too.
So thinking about this for you, the listener, if tools like Pinocchio can make getting started with these really complex professional AI systems totally painless,
Remove that whole technical hurdle.
what does that open up? What kinds of advanced creative things, maybe even beyond just making images, are suddenly on the table for anyone who's maybe scared off by the command line before? What are you going to install next?